Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company, and today we're going to copy a key real quick. We're mobile service, so we do a lot of on-site key copying. So I'm going to switch the key and show you what we got going on here. So there's my key cutter setup. Pretty simple to cut a key. We need a couple things. We need the original key and a blank. This is a quick set key, so we need our key cutter, and then this is a stop. This is a tip stop. So we'll put the key in over here that we're going to copy. This is the trace side. It's got the tracer right there. We'll use the stop. We'll stop the key. And we'll put our copy key in over here to the one we're going to copy. And there's the cutter blade right there. So, but copying a key is real simple, real easy, real straightforward. You just line them up, turn the machine on. Alright, the key's now cut. We're just going to take the key out, leave it running, and we clean the, you can see on this key there's some little burrs on there. We're just going to clean them off with our deburring brush. Shut the machine off. Alright, we'll take you, and we're going to go test this key. Here's the original, a little bit bent, and we'll test it in the lock. This is an override key for a quick set smart lock. So, right here's the original. And now here's the one that we cut. And it's perfect. All right, well, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Like the video if you subscribe if you want to see more videos, and thanks again.